Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Docker versus virtualization. Understanding the core differences is key for modern application deployment. Virtualization involves creating entire virtual machines, each with its own operating system, like a complete computer within a computer. Docker, on the other hand, uses containers. These containers share the host operating system's kernel, making them incredibly lightweight. This fundamental difference means containers can start in mere seconds, often 10 to 100 times faster than a typical virtual machine. When it comes to resource efficiency, the distinction is quite clear. Virtual machines demand substantial amounts of RAM and CPU for each guest operating system they run. This can quickly add up, limiting how many you can host on a single physical server. Docker containers are far more efficient. By sharing the host kernel, they require significantly fewer resources, often using only a fraction of the memory. This allows you to run many more applications on a single server, maximizing hardware utilization. Isolation and security are critical considerations for any deployment. Virtual machines provide very strong isolation because each has its own dedicated operating system. This means a problem in one virtual machine is highly unlikely to affect another. Containers offer process-level isolation, which is generally robust for most applications. However, because they share the host kernel, a severe vulnerability in the kernel or a compromised container could potentially impact other containers running on the same host. It's a trade-off between isolation strength and resource overhead. So, when should you choose one over the other? Virtualization is often the best choice when you need to run multiple, distinct operating systems on a single piece of hardware, perhaps Windows alongside Linux. Docker truly shines for modern application development, especially with microservices architectures, enabling rapid deployment, scaling, and consistent environments. Many organizations find value in using both technologies in conjunction, leveraging virtual machines for host isolation, and then deploying Docker containers within those virtual machines for application efficiency. It truly depends on your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.